What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. Isn't it so weird, like, not seeing someone's lips move? Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new, I'm a little crazy and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. My name is Natalie. I am the host of this Looney Tune Factory. No. Today's video is going to be this purple glam look right here that I used the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette in. To be honest, I just wanted a reason to use this palette again. So that is where this look came from. I was gonna do like a 2-look thing, but the first look that I did not like. I don't know if it was the color or maybe the glitter glue I used. I don't know. I'm gonna have to give it another shot at a different time, but yeah, that didn't work out. So we just ended up with one. One's gonna have to do for now. But I really like how this came out. I usually don't do very many purple eyes, but then when I do them, I love them, and I love this. I will insert swatches of this palette too, but then we will get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you next time. Bye. So here are the swatches of the Amethyst Obsessions palette from the Precious Stones collection. It is so gorgeous, and here is just a still image of it so you can get a look at all the shades. So I am going to start with a transition color. My eyes are already primed, and this is the ColourPop eyeshadow in Tuda Mango. I could have used the light pink in the palette, and I do end up using it, but this is just a very light pinkish purple that I like to use as a transition shade. So now I'm gonna go in with that pink, and it wasn't dark enough for me, so I ended up mixing those two colors, that pink and then that purple. They're both matte shades, and that gave me the color that I was looking for. So I'm just going to be laying this in my crease. I'm not going to be blending it out yet. I'm just going to build up the intensity right in my crease. I'm using a very tapered and precise crease brush. It's the B80 from Morphe. And then I will go in with my Sigma E40 and blend it out once I have laid all the color down. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the other side, blending it out. Now I'm going to be taking this eyeliner. It's a little more bluish than I wanted, but the other purple eyeliner I had was very dry and dragging across my lids. So you're going to want to use an eyeliner that's very creamy and just put it over most of your lid. You can put it all over, but I just left the outer corner open a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with that metallic berry shade. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And I am just going to put that everywhere that I laid that eyeliner down. That's going to help give it a solid base to cling onto and help keep that color pigmented. And now I'm going to take a pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with that matte dark plum color. And I'm just going to be putting this in the outer corner of the eye and using it to blend that color and the lid shade together. And then I'm just going to blend it out with an Urban Decay brush and bring it into the crease and blend a little bit. So now I'm just doing the exact same thing on the other side, putting the eyeliner down and then going in with the metallic berry shade. It's the first shade in the top left of the palette. And I am using a Wet n Wild flat synthetic brush. I love these Wet n Wild brushes. I can't believe they're only $1. Like, I have 3 of the flat synthetic ones and like 3 of the blending ones. So now I'm putting that matte plum in the outer corner and just doing the same thing we did on the other eye, deepening the outer corner up and then blending it. So now I'm going to take an M441 from Morphe and I'm just going to go over the edges. Now I'm touching up the lid shade after I did all the blending. So now I'm going to go in with that center shade. It is a like metallic plum with copper undertones. It is so unique and so gorgeous. And I'm just putting that over, not the entire area we put the plum, but probably the first 2/3 of the lid. I still want that darkness from the first color we put down to show. I want it to be kind of a gradient from the lightest to the darkest. And this color just made this look stand out so much. Just gonna touch up with that plum color. And now I'm taking my E40 and I'm going over the edges, and now I'm using just a skin colored powder and cleaning up the inner corner. Now I'm gonna line my lower waterline with this like beige Mally eyeliner and then go in with that pink and put it on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with that matte plum and just kind of put that on the like outer third of my lower lash line, and then I'm going to blend it out. So now I'm taking this Clinique liquid eyeliner and I'm just doing a small band of eyeliner, nothing crazy, curling my lashes. And then I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, which I am obsessed with. But you done got the gun, goddamn. Okay, this is the full of my hair. The Jeffree Star lip liner in doll parts it needs to be. So for the lip, I'm gonna reapply some more of this OFRA long lasting liquid lipstick. And this is in the color IPSY Unzipped. Apparently I got it from IPSY because it says use code IPSY30 for 30% off OFRA Cosmetics. So I guess IPSY Unzipped is the color. Here is the finished look. You, of course, can do whatever shade lipstick or eyeshadow you would like to recreate this. For the blush, I used this Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in Prim Vixen, number 111. It's a very nice, like, light violet color. Here is the look. Let me know in the comments what kind of holiday looks you guys would like. Do you want silvers? Do you want golds? Do you want green? Do you want reds? Let me know so that I can get all my creative juices, I know that sounds horrible, flowing, but yeah, I'm really excited about the holiday this year because my first holiday year, I was still scared, like so scared. But I was starting to become more comfortable. So now that I'm really excited about the holidays. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. All right, bye.